Hi everybody, this is Mrs. Clark. We're going to do 348 divided by 7. We're using the standard algorithm, divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. And let's go ahead and get started. Now, since we're dividing by 7s and division and multiplication work together, I'm going to skip count my 7s because then I'll have all the multiples of 7 right here. And 7 is one of those that's a little bit trickier, so it's just nice to have it there ahead of time. And once you really know your times tables, or maybe you already do, but it'll make long division way, way easier. There we go. Kind of forgot a couple there, didn't I? All right, so we're going to start by dividing. We're going to do 34 divided by 7. So the question is, how many times can you multiply 7 to fit into 34? How many 7s fit into 34? Without going over. So you're going to look at these and see the point where you go over and don't count that. So you can multiply 7 1, 2, 3, 4 times to fit into 34. We're going to put the 4 up top. By the way, if you're starting to get the flow of these, I really recommend that you try it and then just use this video to check your work, or think about pausing it, do a step, and then unpause, and then just use this to kind of check in. It's going to help you remember it better. So think about what the next step would be. The next step is multiply. What are we going to multiply? 4 times 7, which is 28. See, that's really nice. We've got it already written down. Next step, we're going to subtract 34 minus 28, which is 6. The next step is to bring down. Think about what you're going to bring down. It's the 8. All right, that's a big number we're working with. I'm really glad we wrote these out. So we're going to divide now. 68 divided by 7, or how many 7s can fit into 68 without going over? In this case, it is 9. 9 times 7 is 63. Then we're going to subtract, and then what do you do with this 5 here? It's our remainder. So if you had 348, say, basketballs, maybe a lot of basketballs, and you split them into 7 groups, you would have, you're splitting them up equally, you would have 49 in each group, but then you would still have 5 basketballs left over that you can't equally put into 7 groups because that's, not enough. So that would be our remainder. This also means if you multiply 49 by 7, you're going to end up 5 short here. So 49 times 7 would be 343, plus 5 is 348. So I hope this is helpful to you, and keep practicing. It gets easier every single time, and I hope you have a great day.